So guys, now please confirm to me. All of you get my voice on screen. Those are attending in online. Then you have questions box. You have questions box. There you can confirm to me. All of you get my voice on screen. Those are attending in online. Am I audible? Is my voice on screen is clear to all of you guys? Please respond to me. Yeah. Yeah, guys. Then so welcome to Durgasoft. So today just I'm going to take uh, demonstration for Java programming language. Right, before going to start our demonstration, just Java programming language, first understand the two things here are given there. Now, all of you take this link information there. Yes, everybody has to just take this link information or at least take screenshot of it. So the first link is for what purpose there? Daily, I'm going to prepare the document. So document in the sense classroom notes. While giving explanation, I'm going to type the content directly. Classroom notes I'm going to prepare the classroom notes. So what I am telling now, take this link. If you open that link there, we are able to see a document. So now just let me open it. Just I copied it. Just what we have to do there, just type that in a browser, the same that link. There we will see a document introduction. Now just now I prepared the document here, introduction document. Just if we click on it now, automatically the document is going to be open here. So far I have not written anything here. Just here this document is going to be open where we can see daily classroom notes. There we are able to see what daily classroom notes. Understand it clearly. So this is the way. The simple is very simple to get this document here. https://tinyurl.com/core java 6. Okay, then take this number also in Durgasoft about my classes. They are able to get complete updations and every updation through this number only, where the contact person is what there Hemant. Hemant is a contact person about my classes. If you want to know anything, any queries about my classes, if you want to know anything regarding these classes information, maybe syllabus information, maybe everything, then Hemant will contact with you. Hemant is the right person. Hemant is a contact person for all of you know. I will be in touch with you. Right now, take this number also. In Durgasoft, so many numbers are available in admin now, so don't worry for it. Now, just you can take this number. This number is a point of contact for my classes. Guys, all of you are getting my voice on the screen. Please type in questions box. 1 minute. Whatever the points here I'm telling now, are you getting them? Type in questions box. Yeah, guys. Then if you want to ask anything there, then type in questions box so that I can give reply. Continuously, I'm watching your questions box now. Then send your question there. On moment max, I'm able to give reply for it. Okay, or else maybe at least at the end of the session, I'm able to give reply for it. Clear. Now let's move on to the Java. Nowadays, Java might be Java. People are taking the Java courses like what they're full stack Java. Everybody's thinking about a full stack Java. Okay, right, sir. So if we come for this full stack Java, what we are connecting there? Full stack Java. If you are conducting there, if you think about that full stack Java, what topics here we are understanding there inside this full stack Java? First one is here we are going to understand core Java. Second one is advanced Java, and the third one is Hibernate, and next one is what there Spring. The next one is like what there Spring Boot. Okay, next one is what there microservices. Then after this, the next one is Oracle as a backend technology. One backend technology here we are using Oracle. After this Oracle UI technologies. After this UI technologies, either Angular or we can select either of these. Now here React.js. But as of now, my thinking is what there. Angular is an outdated one. At present, people are taking only React.js. So better to take that option is what the React.js. Okay. So overall, what content here we are going to talk inside the full stack Java, core Java, advanced Java, Hibernate, Spring Boot, microservices, Oracle, EO technologies, Angular or React.js. These are the technologies what you are going to have. Out of all these technologies, please recognize it. My participation, my part is what there Java stream, Java related content. Up to this first six topics, I am going to take the responsibility. I will complete them. So core Java, advanced Java, Hibernate, Spring Boot, microservices, I will take them. But from Aragil, EO technologies and Angular, React, JS, some other trainers will take the responsibility for them. Some other trainers will take the classes. So my responsibility is what there core Java, advanced Java, Hibernate, Spring Boot, microservices. So by the way, people are not aware about myself here. Myself is a Nagoor Babu, the founder of the co-founder of Durgasoft. Okay, Durga sir and myself we started this organization. Okay, all right, sir. So people are asking one question there. I am from QA background and planning to move into automation testing, Selenium API, extra. Will this Java course covers the required topics for automation testers like me? So how much Java support is required to move on to the automation testing? Then required topics we are able to cover. But now I'm not going to talk about testing. Just please remember this. For testing, what you required Java support. After that, we are going to get then core Java is sufficient for it. Not required to go for advanced Java and all. Okay. Yeah, just I'm not going to teach about the testing, then QA and that related part here. But for QA or maybe automation testing, what Java knowledge is required that we are able to get from core Java. Just core Java separately course if we take no, then we'll move on. Okay, right. It's okay. Right, sir. Now this is the content here what I have given. Now after this, my part is Java related. No, just directly I want to show what I'm going to discuss inside the core Java. Core Java, or maybe people are calling it as what they nowadays J2SE, or people are call it as what they Java SE. Different names are available. But a little bit I want to talk about what topics I'm going to cover inside the core Java. Just I want to give list of concepts inside the core Java. Okay. Now observe carefully. Now first one introduction. Simple one or two lines of points here I'm going to give about each and every topic. No, just what I'm going to be covered. Just 1 or 2 minutes of time I'm going to spend on each and every topic here. Now observe carefully. In introduction, just we are going to put focus on why we need to come for Java. What is the requirement to learn Java? Already we have some other programming languages like C, C++. Then still, what is the requirement to come for Java? What are the various Java features? After understanding the Java features, now, the next one is then Java is a case sensitive programming language where we are going to use lowercase letters and where we are going to use uppercase letters that we are going to decide here. After completion of this Java programming format. So if you want to write any Java program, what structure we have to follow? All the things we are going to be understand inside the introduction part. In introduction, mainly we are going to understand what is the requirement to come for Java in the comparison with C and C++. What are the various Java features to write Java program? What format we are going to follow? These points we are going to understand. Then after that, steps to prepare Java applications. Steps to prepare Java application. This is the second topic. In the second topic, I'm going to talk about what there a few steps. I'm going to talk there about these steps to prepare first Java application. How to download Java software from internet, from where we have to download Java software. If we have a computer, empty computer, just only operating system is available and browser is available, that's enough. From that point onwards, how to prepare Java programs. Even I'm going to show how to install Java software, how to download Java software from internet. how to install the Java software into our system, how to provide Java configurations into our system, that is, how to set path and environment variable into our system. After showing the path and environment variable information, how to write Java program, to write minimum Java program, what we have to write is a main class, maybe main method, maybe inside this main method, maybe system.out.println statement, what is the purpose of each and everything. After writing the program, how to save Java file. To save Java file, a set of rules and regulations are available. So many rules and regulations are available. So we are going to understand what are the various rules and regulations to save Java file. After saving the Java file, then we have to perform compilation. To perform compilation, what we have to use? Is it sufficient to use only Java C command? Okay, in the case if we use Java C command, what's going on internally? Behalf of the Java C command, what exactly the internal work is going on? How operating system will execute Java C command? How Java C command is performing compilation internally? After that, how many number of data class files are going to be generated in general in Java? Once we are getting the data class files now, how we are going to execute them? Executing Java program, how is it possible? Then what is the meaning of Java command? If I use Java command, what is going on internally? That everything we are going to understand inside, like what there steps to prepare Java application or first Java application. Downloading Java software, installing Java software, configuring Java software in our system, and installing editors or maybe IDEs. After completion of this, then what next one here? Preparing Java program, saving Java file, compiling Java file, and executing Java program. They are the various steps that we are going to understand inside these steps to prepare Java application. That's okay, fine. Up to this second topic, you are going to understand how to prepare Java program. But in third topic, what we are going to write inside the Java program? What fundamentals you require to write to prepare the Java program? So there we are going to understand language fundamentals. Language fundamentals. That's the topic here. Now inside these language fundamentals, we are going to understand what is the meaning of token, what is an identifier, what is an operator, what is a keyword, what is a reserved watch. After completion of this, what is data type, how many types of data types are available, primitive data types and user defined data types. Now byte to short to int to long float to double boolean character. Then after that, user defined data type, classes, interfaces, like just basic information there. After this, after completion of this, typecasting, converting data from one data type to another data type. Now then implicit typecasting, explicit typecasting, primitive data types typecasting, user-defined data types typecasting. After completion of the Java statements now, conditional statements, a if statement and a switch. After completion of these iterative statements like a for loop, for each loop, while loop, do while loop. After the transfer statements like a break statement, continue statement, and so on and so on and so on. The logic elements, to prepare logic, what elements we require inside the Java, all these elements we are going to understand inside, like what their language fundamentals. So here we are going to use what their language fundamentals is another topic here, so which covers the fundamentals, basic concepts here now. After that patterns programming. Patterns programming in the sense, like what there. Say for example, after completion of the language fundamentals here, observe carefully, patterns programming in the sense, what we are going to do with this patterns programming now. How to prepare a Java program to display a rectangle. How to prepare Java program to display a triangle, inverted triangle. How to prepare a Java program to display pyramid shape, inverted pyramid shape, and a rhomba shape, like different patterns, different shapes. So we are going to prepare them just by using this pattern programming here. Okay, that we are going to understand that. This is the fourth one. After that, the most important topic, the fifth one is like what the OOPS concepts. If you want to use stars for it, no importance in the point of no 100 stars here, we are able to provide object orientation. OOPS concepts in the sense, like what their object orientation. So the most important topic here inside the entire core Java. Now this object orientation importance is not only in core Java, not only in core Java. So it will be available in everywhere, in every technology. Maybe if you go for this Python, there also OOPS is available. If you go for JavaScript, there also OOPS is available. If you go for .NET, there also OOPS is available. Object orientation is available everywhere in our content now. Object orientation is available everywhere in our content. Right, so then people are asking one question now. Since I'm new to coding, does the course cover the fundamentals and it's suitable for beginners like me? Yes, definitely. So we can understand it now right from this introduction onwards. I'm starting in the sense just we can understand. Even we are at what level I don't know. At what level I don't know. But I'm going to start. Even I'm not going to start right from zero. I'm going to start it from -100 onwards. So everybody will understand it clearly. Right, sir. Now, definitely, sir. Then yeah, Nitin Shetty. Then please wait. Then I'll discuss about it clearly. The timings and duration of this course and everything one by one, one by one. I'll discuss about it now. But let me complete this syllabus part here. After that, I'll give some time for it. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot. Yeah. Now let's move on to the point here. Object orientation. Inside the object orientation, what I am going to discuss with you clearly. So what is a class? What is an abstract class? What is an interface? Okay, these basics first we are going to understand. After that, how we are going to create an object, how to declare classes. Then after that, how to create an object. What exactly the object creation process. After that, what is a constructor? After completion of the constructor, this keyword, static keyword. After completion of the static keyword, next one is what the enum keyword, main method information. After completion of this, inheritance, encapsulation, abstraction, polymorphism, method overloading, method overriding, super keyword, and so on and so on and so on. So many topics. It's not like one or two topics. No. Then huge, very good content is going on inside this object orientation. Okay, then very good concepts, very good depth also we are going to be covered. Okay, inheritance, types of inheritances and associations, one to one to many to one, many to many, aggregation. Then along with that aggregation, composition, like so many concepts are available that all the concepts we are going to understand inside the object orientation. Right. So then once we completed this object orientation, the next topic here we are going to understand is like what there. Observe carefully. The next one is right. So now wrapper classes. Sir. The simple topic, no wrapper classes is another one. This wrapper classes is a topic like how it is available here. This wrapper classes, no. I think so. At present, you may not understand this topic, no. But a simple statement I'm telling there. To convert the data from primitive data types to the object types, and to convert the data from object types to the primitive data types, there we are going to use wrapper classes. Even if you are not understanding this point, no need to worry for it. In the future we are going to understand it clearly. All right, after this wrapper classes, the next one is like what there, inner classes in object oriented programming. Class is an important topic, sir. Declaring classes is an important topic inside like what there, inside the object oriented programming. So here the point is what there, writing the class is a main element. Class is a main element inside the object oriented programming. But is it possible to write a class inside another class? No. Yes, then before that I'm asking one question to you. Is it possible to write a for loop inside another for loop? Please confirm to me immediately. In a questions box, please type it. No. Is it possible to write a for loop inside another for loop? Yes. Come on guys, now tell me, is it possible to write a for loop inside another for loop? No. Yes, it is possible there. Similarly, 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 we can write a class inside another class. If you write a loop inside another loop, then it is called as nested loop. Similarly, if you write a class inside another class, then that internal class is what the nested class. That nested class is also be called as what their inner class. Nested class is also be called as what their inner class. Right, sir. Now, how we are going to declare inner classes? If we provide inner classes, what is going on? Where we are going to use inner classes? How many types of inner classes are available? Member inner class, method local inner class, static inner class, anonymous inner class. How to declare them and how to access them in our Java applications? All the concepts here we are going to understand about these inner classes. Once we completed these inner classes, then immediately we are going to understand packages. In Java, guys, understand it no? Package is the collection of classes and interfaces in a simple watch. Package is what there? It's a collection of classes and interfaces. That's it. Okay, fine. How we are going to declare the packages? How do we access the data from the packages? What are the predefined packages which are available in our Java applications? What packages we are going to use frequently in our applications? Okay. Then after this, Then the total study of these packages here we are going to understand up to like what are the jar files, how to prepare jar files, how to prepare executable jar files. No, all the concepts there we are going to understand. After completion of these packages, no, the next one is like what there string operations. String operations. In general, guys, now understand it now. In application development, we are going to perform some string operations regularly. What string operations we are going to perform there? Finding the length of a word, length of the word, length of the string. Then after concatenation operations. After these concatenation operations, trim operations, and converting from lowercase to uppercase, converting from uppercase to lowercase, and so on and so on. So many operations are available. To perform all these operations, no, we are going to use some predefined classes. What predefined classes we are going to use there? String is a predefined class. String buffer is another predefined class. String builder is another predefined class. String tokenizer is another predefined class. So here the overall study of these classes we are going to understand inside like what are their string operations. Inside the string operations here we are able to have like what there these many classes we are going to discuss there inside the string operations. Okay, fine. This is a basic string operations content here now. After this, after completion of this, exception handling. Exception handling, this is another important topic. The string operations is okay. If you want to give weightage for the string operations, no, there we can give 25 stars there. Exception handling, if you want to talk about it, no, there we are going to give nearly 50 stars for it. Exception handling, it's also be another important topic here we are going to understand. First of all, now guys, understand it clearly. What is exception handling? Simple example I'm telling you, now observe carefully. For example, if we go for a movie, might be we may go to theater some theater, IMAX or whatever it may be. There we want to watch a movie. Okay, it's good. That movie is okay, good. Movie is going on good. So you are watching, you are enjoying that movie. So first half of the movie was completed. Interval came. After that interval, that movie was resumed. Then movie is continuing. Last half an hour of the movie is remaining. At that moment, unfortunately, unexpectedly, that movie was stopped. Unexpectedly, movie was stopped. Movie is not running. Movie was stopped. You waited 5 minutes of time, but no, movie was not played. Okay, then you inquired about it. Then what happened? Why that movie was stopped there? People have given a response to use like what there. There was a power failure situation at the theater, so movie was stopped. Then even 1 hour of time you waited there, movie was not restarted. Then what next moment for you? What you are going to do immediately? What you will do immediately? What will you do immediately? Come on, guys. What you are able to do? What you are able to just you may ask the theater management that what theater management is able to do. If theater management is not responded properly, what we will do now? Simply you are going to damage the theater or not? Simply say yes or no. You are going to damage the theater or not? Or at least you may give some negative reviews about the theater or not? Definitely you are going to do some damage. Yeah, maybe then either refund or maybe something else. No, for example, even they are not in a position to respond for our queries there, definitely you are going to give some kind of damage. Maybe the damage may be through online, the damage may be physical damage. No, it's okay. That doesn't matter. That's a different story. But finally, we are going to have some negative impression over that theater, right? Good. Observe carefully. Power failure is common. Having power failure is very common. Maybe because of short circuit, maybe or because of power lack of the power, maybe because of the problem with the power station, maybe. Then power failure is coming is common. That theater people have to think power failure will come regularly. But even though even they aware about it, power failure situations now, but what they have to do? What they have to do? Getting power failure is very common. Then what they have to do to come out from the situation? What they have to do? Come on, guys. What they have to do? Yes, exactly. They have to maintain one power backup system or not. So they are thinking power failures are coming frequently. So because of that reason, they have to maintain one power backup system or not. Yes, providing power backup system and providing continuous power when the power is off in the inside the theater. And when the in the next minute of power off in the theater, immediately power backup system must be activated, and a power backup system immediately it has to provide power continuously. Am I right or not? Right, sir. Now, in this scenario, observe carefully. I'm going to use some technical words. Observe carefully. having power failure situation is a common and frequent. Just having power failure is nothing but getting an exception in Java application. Power failure is what there an exception. It is an unexpected event causes abnormal termination to the program. If power failure is happened, that movie is not played, movie was stopped. Stopping that movie if the power failure is happen, this is common. So in the same way, some unexpected events are coming inside the Java program execution, then it stops the program execution. So this is called, this unexpected event which stops the program execution is called as what there is an exception. That power failure is nothing but what there an exception. It is an exception. Nice. Here we are getting like what there exception here. No, okay. Exception in the sense which cause the abnormal termination of the program, means that on moment the program termination is program execution is going to be terminated. This is called as what the exception. Okay, what is exception handling? When theater people are recognizing that power failures are happen continuously, so we have to handle that by providing one backup system. They arranged one backup system. When power failure is happen, immediately power backup system is providing continuous power. Power backup system is providing continuous power, no interruptions are going to be happen until the completion of the movie, up to the customers, or customers in the sense audience smooth exit, that power continuous power supply must be available or not. So the providing this power backup system, providing power continuously when power is off, this is nothing but a handling situation, this is nothing but what their handling mechanism. Similarly, what's the point I'm telling there? While executing the program, if any unexpected event is coming, if any exception is coming, that we have to take that exception and we have to handle that exception. We have to take that exception, we have to handle that exception, and we have to provide smooth termination to the application, not abnormal termination. Abnormal termination is a middle termination. Smooth termination is what there terminating the program execution at the end of the program. So whenever we are having exceptions, we need to provide one handling mechanism to catch that exception and to provide smooth termination to our application to handle that situation. So this mechanism is called as what their exception handling mechanism. Catch the exception, handle it, and provide smooth termination to our application. So this mechanism is called as what their exception handling mechanism. Java has very good exception handling mechanisms because of its predefined library. Every exception is represented inside the Java. Whatever the exceptions which are coming frequently inside the Java program, all these exceptions are going to be represented inside the Java. Not only representing all the predefined exceptions, no, Java has created a path, Java has provided a path to define our own exceptions also. Java has provided a road to declare, to define our own exceptions. Not only that, how to catch that exceptions, no, by using try catch finally syntaxes, no, by using try with resources syntaxes, no, we are able to catch the exceptions, and we are able to provide smooth termination to our application after catching that exception. So Java has very good mechanisms to handle the exceptions, to catch the exceptions, to handle the exceptions. So there inside this exception handling, because of that reason here we are going to use what their exception handling mechanisms or exception handling. Inside the exception handling, mainly we are going to understand the strong, very strong introduction part. What is an exception? What is the meaning of exception handling? How many types of exceptions are available? Predefined exceptions and user defined exceptions, no. Checked exceptions and unchecked exceptions here. After completion of the checked exception and unchecked exception there, what is the purpose of throw keyword? What is the purpose of throws keyword? What is try catch finally? Try with resources, no. Then all these concepts you are going to understand inside this exception handling mechanisms. Okay, sir. Just basic awareness I've given there. After completion of this exception handling mechanism, the next one is like what there? Multi-threading. Multi-threading is the next topic here now. Multi-threading. If you want to give stars for this multi-threading, again here I'm telling there, we can give 50 stars. This is also another important topic. So here inside this multi-threading, we are going to understand initially what is a thread. So what exactly the meaning of thread? Right, sir. Now, thread is a flow of execution. Thread is a flow of execution to perform a particular task or to execute a program. Thread is a flow of execution to perform a particular task to perform a particular task or to execute a program as a flow of execution. Guys, observe carefully one simple example I'm telling you, understand it now. For example, I have an electric wire. Electric wire is available where I have some bulbs at random locations in the wire. I have a wire with the bulbs. The bulbs are located at random locations on the wire. If I keep that wire in the socket, if I plug on, if I switch on, what's going on, sir? Now tell me. If I switch on by keeping electric wire in the plug, what's going on there? Come on, now tell me. If we switch on the plug and we keep this electric wire in the socket, and if we switch on it, if we click on the on button there, that is a switch there, what's going on there? Electricity is passing through the wire or not? When electricity is passing to first bulb state is what their glow. When electricity is passing to the second bulb, no, the bulb state is what their glow. When electricity is passing to the third bulb, no, the bulb state is what their glow. When electricity is passing to a particular bulb, automatically the bulb state is what their glow. Understand it now? Now I'm asking one straight question, guys. All of you know answer for it. Is it possible for you to see that electricity? Is it possible to see that power which is passing through the electric wire? Are able to see that the power? Are able to see that the electricity which is passing in the wire? No, we are unable to see it, but we can feel that, right? Am I right or not? We can feel that. We can feel that in the sense we can see its impact. What is visible for us? What is visible for that? How we are able to confirm that electricity passing to this particular location? By observing the bulb state, by understanding the bulb state, we can understand that electricity is passing or not. The bulb state is what there. If it is glow or if it is on mode, automatically electricity is passing there. If the bulb is in off mode, electricity is not passed here. Sir, got it or not? So in this overall example, we can understand it now. So here electric bulbs, here we have taken a set of electric bulbs, here we have taken, that is Java program. That is Java program. Internal electricity is passing to each and every bulb or not? That internal electricity is passing, no, that electricity is nothing but a thread. Flow of execution, the thread or flow of execution. Understand it clear? It's a thread or flow of execution. When electricity is coming to first bulb, it will be executed. When electricity is coming to second bulb, it will be executed. When electricity is coming to third bulb, that bulb will be executed. So internally that electricity is nothing but what? The thread. The thread is nothing but flow of execution that we are unable to see, but we can feel it. We can feel it. Similarly, in Java program, when we write 100 lines of code, if you want to execute that 100 lines of code, internally one flow of execution is required. That flow of execution is nothing but thread. When the thread is coming to the first line will be executed. When the thread is coming to the second line will be executed. When the thread is coming to the third line will be executed. That's it. We can see the result of that instructions execution only, but we are unable to see that flow. So this flow of execution is nothing but what? The thread. That's the simple meaning of the thread. Java is a multi-threaded programming language. Java is a multi-threaded programming language. Java is able to allow more than one thread at a time. Java is able to allow more than one thread at a time. Java is what their multi-threaded programming language. It is able to allow more than one thread at a time. Okay, understand it clearly. So how we are going to execute more than one thread? How we are able to manage this more than one thread in a simple Java application? All the things here we are going to understand. Okay, now this is the point here I'm telling there. Inside this multi-threading, we are going to understand what is a thread and how many thread models are available, single thread model, multi-thread model. After understanding the single thread model and multi-thread model, then what we are going to understand apart from this now, then what next one here we are going to understand there. After this, thread class libraries, thread class constructors and thread class, like what I'm telling there, constructors and methods and constants. After completion of the thread life cycle, next one is what there, thread safe resources like synchronized synchronization, after this inter-thread communication, and so on and so on and so on. So many topics you are going to understand effectively about this multi-threading. Right, sir. Now this is the most useful topic in core Java, at the same time the most difficult topic. It's a difficult one, at the same time interesting one. If you are having good knowledge on multi-threading, you are able to get jobs in gaming softwares. Nowadays number of gaming softwares are available outside now. Then to prepare this gaming softwares there, we are going to use multi-threading. Multi-threading is going to be utilized everywhere, internally or externally, whatever it may be, but knowledge on multi-threading is very important, that we must require. Right, so leave this one. After completion of this multi-threading topic, there we are going to understand the next one is IO sims. Here we are going to understand the next topic is what there IO sims. If you want to give stars for this topic, there just we can give 10 stars only. Only one topic is important there. You are going to understand it clearly. Multi-threading, sorry, IO sims. No. All right, sir. Now, first of all, before going to understand this IO sims, no. First of all, what is a stream? So, what is a stream? That here we have to understand what exactly the meaning of stream. Okay. All right, sir. Now, if you see the meaning of stream, now a stream is a channel or stream is a medium which allows the data in continuous flow from input devices to the Java program and from Java program to the output devices. Okay, once again I'm telling to you, stream is a channel or medium which allows the data in continuous flow from input devices to the Java program, from Java program to the output devices. Simple point, sir. Continuous data from keyboard to the Java program and Java program to the monitor. Keyboard to the Java program and Java program to the monitor. That's it now. This is exactly the continuous process. So for that we require that stream. Say for example, let's come for this one example here, in general example, use case now. Say for example, I think we are having our houses. We are having houses there. At the top of the house, there is a water tank. Guys, all of you are understanding my example. We have a house, one house. At the top of the house, we are able to have water tank. Am I right or not? Please say yes or no on questions box. Everybody, please respond for me. Yes or no? Water tank is there at the top of the house. Clear. Guys, now tell me, at early morning in general, early morning time, municipal water will come to the water pipeline, which is available at ground. Municipal water pipeline is available at ground. Manjira water or whatever it may be. Municipal water will come at the ground. Water pipeline is available there. Water will come. What we are going to do? We will start a motor. What that motor will do? That motor will pump the water from municipal water pipeline to the water tank, which is available at the top of the house or not. First of all, when water is coming to the municipal water pipeline at early morning 6 o'clock, if water is coming to the municipal water is coming there, we will start motor. That motor will pump the water from municipal water pipeline to the water tank or not. Remember this point. When water is coming to the water tank, then what we are going to do? From that water tank, we are going to dispatch that water to the various locations in our house or not. Once water is coming to the water tank, no, then we will dispatch that water to the various locations or not. As a water storage, actually, right, that water will be dispatched to the various locations in our house. Maybe water required in a kitchen room, water required in washroom, water required in what there, some other bedroom. Understand it clearly. So water is required at different locations in our house now. So first we are storing that water in the water tank. After that, we are going to dispatch that water to various locations in our house. Am I right or not? Please say yes or no. Please say yes or no. No response, guys. Say yes or no. First of all, water is coming to the water pipeline. From that, we are pouring that water to the water tank. From water tank, we are dispatching that water to the various locations in our house, right? Please remember this activity. Now, get 2 points I'm highlighting now. Sending water from water pipeline to the water tank. Sending water from water pipeline to the water tank. Okay. Dispatching water from water tank to various locations. To send water from municipal water pipeline to the water tank, we require some pipes. We require some plastic pipes. Am I right or not? We need some pipes to pour water from municipal water pipeline to the water tank. There we require some pipes. After that, to dispatch water from water tank to the various locations, there also we require some pipes. Some water pipes we require. So these water pipes are nothing but water streams. Think of it. Municipal water pipeline is a keyboard, or maybe some network, or maybe some other external source which is generating some data. Water tank is a Java program. Water tank is what their Java program. After that, from water tank, water we are sending to various locations in our house, like kitchen room maybe, washroom maybe, next one is bedroom maybe, right? All these are like what their output devices. One thing may be network, one thing may be monitors, one thing may be like what their some other printer, whatever it may be. So to carry the water from one location to another location, there we require some pipe. That pipe is nothing but stream. Water pipe is nothing but water stream which allows the water continuous flow in a continuous flow. Similarly, stream is a channel or medium which allows the data in a continuous flow from one location to the another location. Means that from input devices to the Java program, from Java program to the output devices. This is exactly the meaning of like what there. This is the meaning of like what there stream. Right, sir. There are so many types of streams now. Byte oriented streams and character oriented streams, input stream, output stream, reader and writer. And their study we are going to understand. File operations we are going to understand. File output stream, file input stream, file reader, file writer we are going to understand them. After completion of these file operations there, then what next one here? Apart from this, file operations no. Then serialization is one of the topic. Externalization is another topic that we are going to understand. So many topics are available. All the concepts there we are going to understand it, guys. It's okay now. This is about like what there IO streams. IO streams content here we are going to discuss there. Once we completed this IO streams now, there are some two outdated topics are available. Networking is totally outdated. It's totally outdated. I'm not going to discuss about it now, but video support here I'm able to provide. Video support. Video support I will provide, but I have already videos for it now. Next one is what there RMI. This also be outdated topic. So there also I'm going to provide video support. Videos support here I'm going to provide. Now here we are discussing about what the video support. Okay, just I'm not going to discuss about this topic now. Why? Because they're totally outdated. It's unnecessary even to discuss about them. All right, sir. Then after this, after completion of these two concepts, no, that another important topic is what there collection framework. Collection framework. If you want to give stars for it, no, you can give 100 stars for it, no. How much importance is available for object orientation? The same type of importance is available for what their collection framework. So here we are going to understand more and more content here. 100% content here. We are going to understand. This is like what their collection framework. 100% importance is available for this collection framework here. Now understand it clearly. Okay. Now this is about like what their collection framework. Here we are having there. Observe carefully. Then what next one here? Apart from this, no generics. I'll discuss about it, guys. No need to worry for it. No, the next one is like what their generics. Generics is another topic here. So this is also important here. If you want to give some stars there, we can give some 10 stars for this. No, I'll discuss about it, but you may not understand at present here. Now let me list out all the topics. No, all right, sir. Then after the generics, no, the next one is what there internationalization. Internationalization. All right, sir. Now just I'm going to list out all the names, guys. Don't worry. On flow in the future, I'm going to discuss about them. All right, internationalization topic I'm going to discuss with you. After this internationalization, no, next one is reflection API annotations. After completion of this JVM architecture, after this garbage collection, garbage collector or garbage collections, garbage collection. After completion of this garbage collection there, next one is what there regular expressions. Okay, after this regular expressions, next one is what there Java 8 version features. Separately inside the Java 8 version, so many features are available, like lambda expressions, maybe functional interfaces, maybe so many features are available. Then after this Java 9 version features, Java 9 version features, and so on and so on and so on up to the latest version of the Java. Up to the latest version here we are going to understand here. Okay, all right, sir. Now better than instead of saying this one, what I am telling there, Java 10 to 24 latest version is what the 24 version features here I'm going to discuss with you. That's it, guys. Now this is exactly the syllabus here what I am going to be covered inside like what their core Java or J2SE or Java SE. Okay, yeah, these are the things here we have to understand, guys. Now observe carefully. After these, then advantages of attending this course here I'm telling to you. Everybody understand it, no? Everybody understand it, no? Every class is being recorded. Recordings will be provided. recordings will be provided. It will be up to 1 year of support. After the course, after completion of the course, 1 year of support. Just officially we are saying that 1 year, no, but more than that we are able to get. Recordings will be provided up to 1 year or more than 1 year. Then definitely minimum is 1 year. Right, sir. But in general, our people are going to upload the videos, no, but how long we are going to access them, that we are not going to restrict for it max. But officially we are saying that 1 year. Okay. Next one is what the classroom notes. Classroom notes here we are able to get here directly. I have given some link for you. There we can utilize that classroom notes here. So which Java version we are going to focus mainly on this course now. Then all Java versions are mainly Java 8. Java 8 is a very good content now. Then mainly we are going to use it, but all features we are going to understand. Okay. Yeah, don't worry. But all features we are going to understand. But at present Java 9, Java 8 version features are getting somewhat demand. But all features up to 24 version of the Java we are going to understand max. Okay. Right, sir. Classroom notes will be provided here. Alright, in-depth knowledge here we are providing there. Java 8 has very good features when compared with other one. Then strictly speaking, Java 8 version is a successful and Java 9 is a failure one. Java 9 is totally copied from Python actually. Maximum features are copied from what they're Python. But Java version, Java 8 version is changing the Java developers programming style totally. The very good features are available. Lambda expressions maybe the best example. Stream API maybe. The total optimization is available in the Java code. So very good features are available. Because of that reason, Java 8 version is important when compared with other versions now. In the remaining versions also some new features are available, but they are not giving much impact in the development process. But Java 8 version is giving more impact in the development of the applications. Okay, right, sir. Then apart from this, what next one here we are able to have there, and the timings of these classes, guys. Now at present here I started these classes with the 6 to 7 a.m. 6 to 7 a.m. In future I will conduct my classes at 7 to 8 a.m. also. That is along with the 6 to 7 one slot here at present I am taking there. In future I will conduct my classes at 7 to 8 a.m. also. Why? Because if we understand this Java part here, core Java, advanced Java, Hibernate, Spring Boot, microservices, no, then two classes I need to take. But at present I am going to take our classes at 6 to 7. But my remaining classes, that is every two courses I am going to take in parallel. 6 to 7 I am using the at present, no, but in the future I will conduct my classes 7 to 8 also. This slot also I am going to use 2 hours more. At present 6 to 7 only, but in the future I may take the classes at 7 to 8 also. As per our might be, yeah, I will give the prior intimation from which date onwards I am going to give our classes 7 to 8 like this. Okay, please be prepared for that. Available to me 2 hours of classes at present, up to few days after 6 to 7 only. In the future I am going to take our classes 7 to 8 also. You have to be available for me. Why? Because two courses I'm going to conduct parallelly. In the middle of the core Java, I have to start advanced Java. In the middle of the advanced Java, when I complete core Java, I have to start Hibernate. In the middle of the Hibernate, when I'm going to complete advanced Java, there I'm going to start Spring Boot, microservices. So because of that reason, two slots I'm going to use definitely for this full stack Java. Okay, that we have to be available for me. Right, sir. Then people are asking to me, yeah, this is the information here we can understand, guys. Then one thing I'm telling to you, the durations may be 1 month before or 1 month later, just that depends on you and me only. Why? Because my mindset is what there, whatever the knowledge I'm having about Java, the total knowledge I want to provide. Just the syllabuses and everything, just official boundaries only I'm telling there. But if I'm going to talk about the subject now, how much time I'm going to conduct, how much time I'm going to take for it now, that depends on you and me. If you're interested, definitely I'm going to discuss more and more internal, more and more in-depth content. So especially the main advantage of my classes is what they're more depth. So max each and every topic in a depth manner we are going to understand it clearly. So because of that reason, it may take some time, sir. It may take some time. Even if I give some rough time there, then I may not complete within the rough time, but more content I'm going to discuss with you clearly. Okay. The classes are going on Monday to Saturday, Monday to Saturday, but Tomorrow and day after tomorrow, no classes. Tomorrow and day after tomorrow, no classes. Okay. Next class will be on Monday. Next class will be on Monday. Direct syllabus I will start on Monday. Direct introduction part I am going to discuss there. Directly core Java. I'll start that core Java introduction. No further demos. No. Directly I'll start core Java introduction part here. That syllabus I am going to start there on Monday. Okay. Alright, so now tomorrow and day after tomorrow, first Saturday and Sunday no class. No, this today is the first class. Next class will be on Monday, but on a week Monday to Saturday class are confirmed there. In the case if I want to take the class on Sunday, depending on your syllabus coverage, no, definitely I'll conduct the class on Sunday also with your permission. 7 to 8 I will teach what I'm going to teach. No, maybe I'll give that schedule clearly. Might be some core Java topics I have to discuss there. Then after that I will discuss about advanced Java at 7 to 8. 78 time I will utilize for some topics of core Java. After completion of this core Java topics there, then I will start advanced Java. Yeah, sure. Yeah, some topics, some special topics I'm going to take at 7 to 8 also. After that, after completion of the special topics, I'm going to talk about what there advanced Java there by the time. So whatever it may be, 6 to 7 and 7 to 8, I'm going to utilize in any way. Core Java and as well as what the advanced Java. Even if you want to join for a core Java, we have to available for two timings now. 6 to 7 and 7 to 8. Both the timings you have to be available. But at present, up to few days of time, I'm going to take 6 to 7 classes. No, later on, I'm going to increase over time 7 to 8 also. After completion of few topics at 7 to 8, no, I'll start advanced Java at 7 to 8, or maybe at 6 to 8, 6 to 7, I'm going to start advanced. That I will discuss with you clearly. But two timings we have to be available. At present, 6 to 7 is a time. Okay. Right, guys. Now, guys, then I'm telling to you, then more information I'll discuss with you on Monday regarding this process and everything. Monday I will discuss with you. Please take these two things now, this link and this number here. If you have any further details, if you want to get further details about this course, no, just talk with Hemant. Hemant will help you to understand the process what you are going to follow, and take this link. At least take screenshot of it. Screenshot option is available in our webinar there. Just take the screenshot, use this link to get the notes, and contact with this person here. This person will give more clarity about my classes there if you want to know about that all. Well, the rapid growth of AI, do you think Java is becoming obsolete, or does it still have a strong future? It's okay. Then what I'm telling now, even if you are using AI, but developer support is mandatory. Developers view is mandatory. Developers monitoring is mandatory. Developer support is required even if you are using AI. But jobs are going to be reduced because of AI. That I have to agree, but not like what the complete vanish. Not like a complete vanish. Okay, that it's not a complete alternative for the developers now. AI is not. AI is a tool. AI is a collection of tools which is not an alternative for developers. But up to somewhat, it is able to reduce the developers' work. Up to that, I'm able to say. Understand it now. Definitely, developer support is required, sir. If you want to complete a project, no developers. Without developers, not at all possible. Okay, all right. Okay, guys. Then have some other class, sir. How to develop a strong logic buildings now. Then when we are strong at basics, when we are strong at basics, especially this part here, when we are strong at these if conditions and loops and all, when we are strong at basics, no, then definitely programming will be very simple. Programming will be very simple. If you want to build a strong logic buildings, no, the definitely fundamentals wise we should be strong. And these two topics, if you know, you are going to have some awareness at how to use these loops and if conditions and all effectively. As for that, we are able to get more content, more logic building we are able to understand. Okay. Yeah, guys, then don't worry, then I'm able to explore more, I'm able to give more details maybe on Monday. On Monday I'm going to take the class there at 6 o'clock. There I'm going to talk more about it, no, then 10 to 15 minutes of time I'll assign for the sake of your doubts clarification. But today is the first class, no, just try to understand, try to take these links and this number there. Then if you have any further details about the admission process, maybe already people are asking to me, then how much is a fee for it and all. Guys, then I'm not the right person to talk about money related things. Then admin is available, directly you can talk with him, he will give that related information. The relation between you and me is only Java. Java should be the relation between you and me. Then don't uh, talk related to this money and all these things, no, just Java only. Java must be going on in between us. Okay, then directly you can talk with our admin people there, they will take care about it. I'm not the right person for it. Okay, right sir. Then myself is a trainer and we are like over there students now. Java must be flow in between us. What is the IDE we are going to use in our course now? Definitely Eclipse and as well as IntelliJ idea. Eclipse and IntelliJ both I am going to use. Maximum IntelliJ I am going to use, but Eclipse also I am able to show. Okay, right sir. Eclipse and IntelliJ idea both I am going to use. Yeah, class are going on in online only, not in offline sir, only online. Yeah, my class are going on in online, but offline class are going on for some other trainers at Durgasoft main office there. But online class only I'm going to conduct at present. Okay, right sir. Guys, then I have another class at 7 o'clock, and can I? Right sir. Shall we meet on Monday? Can I continue on Monday? Yeah, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you guys. Thanks a lot. Thank you for attending session. Yeah, definitely Monday I will give some time for you to understand. If you have any doubts there, I'm able to clarify that all the doubts on Monday. Okay. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot, Nitin. Okay. Thank you guys. We'll meet on Monday. Thanks a lot.